So I'll make an effort not to like waffle on too much, but a friend of mine has given me an old Xbox 360, and all I know about it is that it's broken and it needs some help back into life. And if I can fix it, then I can keep it. I have so many like plans for this, but I think the first thing I'm going to do is just try it and see if it works. Alright, she's all plugged in, so now I haven't heard that noise in forever, but it does turn on. The one thing I was warned about is apparently the DVD drive won't open. And I also don't have a controller for it, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Alright, looks like we have some work to do. Now amazingly, this thing actually still turns on, even after I attacked it with a vacuum cleaner. And I've cleaned all those parts over there and they look really good now, by the way. And yeah, so it's time to crack on with the old DVD drive, because it still doesn't give me anything. So my bed is scattered with the signs of progress. I've cleaned the shell of the DVD drive, so that should at least keep it at, you know, some sort of a condition where it's not getting covered in dust. Same with the drive itself. It's not too bad actually. Cleaned in here. I'm gonna clean all the belt and the rails, and I've got some lubricants. That one and that one. So hopefully next time I show you this, it should be opening and closing. So yeah, here we go. This is the moment of truth. Now I hit the eject button and see what happens. Yeah. So it's dawned on me that I never filmed a conclusion for this, and well, it turns out that a USB keyboard will actually work with the Xbox. So we can just put the CD in there. I have now 68 and now 70, which is quite tragic, really. And yeah, there it is. It works absolutely fine. I mean, I still haven't played any games in it yet because I don't own any, but I will do at some point in the future. And well, just to prove it, there it is. It works absolutely fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, I guess.